Welcome to this step-by-step guide explaining how to use the new slide recording feature in PowerPoint. Begin by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint open, take a moment to ensure that the software is fully loaded and that no other heavy applications are running, which can help maintain optimal performance during your presentation preparation. This initial step guarantees that you are working with a clean slate and ensures that your system is ready for both editing and recording. After PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation on which you plan to work. Locate it either from your recent files list or open it from its saved location on your computer. Make sure that the presentation you select is organized and that you have already reviewed its content, as this will help you feel more confident when incorporating your voiceover and recording. Being familiar with your presentation structure will allow you to focus on delivering your message smoothly as you record. Now that your presentation is ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the PowerPoint window. Here you will find the record feature. Look for the record button, which is typically located in an area that is designed to be easily accessible for all users. Although the button might be accompanied by some familiar icons, its purpose is straightforward. Once you identify this button, you are ready to begin the recording process designed to capture your voice alongside the slide content. When you have located the record button, simply click on it to initiate the recording process. After clicking, the system will prepare the recording interface, ensuring that your audio is captured clearly. At this point, take a moment to adjust your microphone settings if needed. It is important to check that the audio input device you are using is functioning properly, ensuring a high quality recording. Once you are satisfied with your setup and any necessary adjustments have been made, you can press the record button within the recording interface to capture your presentation. This method provides a smooth experience where your narration is synchronized with the visual elements on your slides. After you have finished your recording, explore the available option to export the recorded presentation to your computer. The export function is designed to allow you to save the entire recording as a file, which can then be shared or uploaded as required. Exporting your recording provides a tangible output that you can review or distribute according to your professional needs. This capability is particularly useful for preparing courses, creating training materials, or simply preserving your presentation with its accompanying audio narration. This thorough guide is intended to walk you through each step of using PowerPoint's slide recording feature with clarity and confidence. Following these instructions will help ensure you obtain a high quality, exported recording of your presentation, ready for use in various professional environments. Enjoy creating your narrated presentations and take advantage of the new recording feature to enhance your presentation experience.